How to add fonts to CapCut. It is a very simple and easy process to add fonts on CapCut. Here, just to show you guys, I have taken a sample video. Go to the text option and click on default text. You can even click and drag it or click on the plus icon. Now on the right section, you will see different kind of options. Just to make it visible, I'm gonna change the color. Click on your text on the timeline. Go to the message box and type in your message. Here, just to show you guys, I'm gonna type in subscribe. Once that's done, you will see the font option. Click on your fonts to choose the font. Now most of the fonts are only available on the Pro version, but a lot of them are available for free also. All the fonts that have this purple diamond, that means that these are for Pro, and the one that do not have any of these are free to use. Before using it, you will need to download this. To do that, simply click on the font and it will get downloaded. Select the font you like and go back. Additionally, you can even use pre-made fonts that will be available in the text effect option. As you can see here, all these are pre-made and you can use them. Also, go to text template to see animated fonts. You can also use these if you want. That's all for today. Thank you.